this go upside down?
Yes.
Twice.
Hi.
Sideways.
How are you? I'm good. I think. Thanks so much for asking. It really means a lot to me.
You got your seatbelt on?
We're getting ready to go on the Zephyr. This was a ride that Salem and I used to go on a lot when she was a kid. My head looks huge next to yours.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Does that help?
Yeah. Oh, there you go. Now it's tracking your face. Oh, then move back to mine. Just kidding. Never mind. Yeah. All right. We're. You been on Zephyr? No. Yes. Okay. Well, here's what it looks like. Go, 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 go!
That's where the.
Up. We're gonna have takeoff here. Say them. We're up. It's a wonderful ride. You just get to go in circles. Oh, jeez. I don't remember like coming this far out off of
Hey,
it.
it comes out far, doesn't it?
Yeah, look at that. It seems unnatural, like they're so
I
far.
have to start looking straight ahead. I'm getting
There's the biggie. All right, we're coming back in for landing. I bet.
It does.
Okay.
The camera's like, again? No,
Yeah.
not again. I can't feel my arm.
Coming in for landing. That will connect here. One more rotation.
I'll let you know once it's safe to exit. Not until then, please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened. Everyone waiting for
That's great. Hi.
Please seat only up to 2 for round 1.
So we discovered that when we were driving through your guys' neighborhood, like anytime we pass by people in our neighborhood, everybody waves. And I was like, out of habit, I was like, okay, forgot about it.
No, I'm sorry, sir.
Who's this guy who's weirdo freaking waving at me? All right, that was great. Thank you. Thank you very much. Wonderful. Had a great time. Thanks, everybody. Thanks for coming out. Be careful up there. Don't hurt yourself. Wear your underwear and shit your britches.
It's the Neverlander! Oh my goodness!
All right, well, we sucked it up and paid $17 per person to skip this crappy line. Can't believe I'm doing this. I spent enough money to get into this damn park. Here I am, $80+ later for 5 people. It's out of control. Disney's taking advantage of everybody. Why am I whining? Because it's my money, damn it. But this is kind of nice, I'm not gonna lie. Look at these people. Hey. Poor bastards. Are you excited?
Oh, so very.
You excited?
Yes.
Are we waiting for them?
I guess I want to ride with them. I didn't ride
Ian.
that separated.
Ian. All right, we made it. Huh? Yes.
Well, we
Yes.
don't prioritize us as much as they prioritize them.
Everybody else? I know. Yeah.
Because normally when we're in the normal line, it's like 20 fast pass guys for every one normal person line. Hopefully that will keep that same energy.
Well, what's funny is I have done nothing but complain about the people that have used this. I hate it. I don't like it. It slows down the rest of the line, and I really don't like how Disneyland does it over Disney World. Like every single lightning lane, I've watched them just let people in, like lots and lots of people. I counted something like 83 or 84 people on Space Mountain to our like 30 or 40. So that was horse caca. But here we are, gonna get on the ride fast, I think. So we entered at like 7:15. It's been 3 minutes.
So by the time we came back,
And
3 minutes and we haven't moved once.
I mean, literally, like right there, you get in from there. So excited about that. This is nice. These fans, it's pretty wonderful. I like that. Although it's a little too cold right now, to be honest with you. All right, 7:21, and we are walking up. We will be getting on the ride in like probably less than 2 minutes. All right, so $17, not bad, unless you're a dad with 4 kids like me. Cost us $80 to get up here, kids. This better be the best ride you've ever been on. I don't spend this much money when we go to the fair. All right, here we go. 7:24. We got in at 7:15. 9 minutes. Bypassed. And 80.
yeah, there's part of me that's like, we should have just bought the $36
Yeah, should have. Oh my God, I'm getting bigger.
Oh, I thought they were
Here we go. Really excited.
As am I, Father. I have been awaiting this moment since I was the mere age of like 8, I think.
To put things in perspective, you're how old now?
13, I believe.
Harlow, I love you. Have fun.
Okay.
Jack, I love you. Have fun. Honey, I love you. Have fun. I love this guy too. Have fun.
What about me? You don't love me? You don't want me to have fun?
Salem, love you guys. Have fun. Oh my gosh, here we go.
Which way?
Finally.
Oh, this is
There we go.
Slow down. You're not racing yet. Just follow Mater into town. Mater.
Coming, Sheriff. Howdy. Here for the big race, huh? It's terrifying. Hey, you ever go tractor tipping? It's easy. Just sneak up on them and ready? Coming back.
Don't get scared, Salem.
All visitors on this planet.
Yippee.
Race day.
In Radiator Springs.
Now I need to be fast.
You need to look fast. Ka-chow. Ramon.
Oh, this guy was
Looking good. Here's the you now. All right.
Shiny paint don't win race.
All right, guys, let's win. It looked like the back of the truck brakes.
Incredible racing. Flat. We're all winners today. Yeah. I won.
What'd you think, Harlow?
Get out of here, losers. Backward, right. You don't know if they want to come from behind to win. Now listen. Your vehicle stops to be
so much faster though.
Well, you were a little kid. So much fun, and we won.
Yeah.
How was that for you, honey?
I just want to hide.
Yeah.
I'm not a good person to put on camera right now.
Okay. I think it's appropriate that we won.
Yeah.
Let's say that. In the name of Gramps. There we are here.
Dude, I look terrified. My hair's in my face.
Oh, I actually don't look terrible.
Right here. Right here. Right here. Right here. Will always remind me of Gramps. That's wrong.